Override is a function that allows you to switch the heater on for a period of time, usually between 1 and 4 hours. This is particularly useful when you're working late one evening or weekend and you do not want to set or adjust the on and off times. To switch on override mode, press over and standby. Press number 1, override mode. Press number 1, override on. Select in hours how long you want the heater to be on. Here we set 02 for 2 hours. Press run. The screen now displays override, indicating that the heater should be on. If the heater does not come on, increase the temperature as shown in setting the temperature video. The override will now count down in minutes. When it reaches 0, the heater will switch off and default back to normal user times. The override can be switched off before this if no longer required. To do this, press over and standby. Press number 1, override mode. This time press number 2, override off. Press 00 indicating you want it to be turned off immediately and press enter.